This morning, I would like to applaud the finance minister. Look, I'm not bothered or I don't care about whether somebody started from somewhere and is picked up from anywhere because the MPP are buying also. By now, fetch. I'm upgrading to B minus. No, by now, Omo both say.
Yeah. Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right on Ghana 70 BGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ghana, there were a couple of problems. And I've come to understand that some problems may be a permanent problem of the country. Number one, NDC. NDC, NDC is one of the biggest problems we have as a country. Number two, some of our pastors, from experience, especially 2024 election, my own say, some of our men of God are one of the biggest problems we have as a country. Very, very big problem. And only God can help us out of that. We hope for the best. The third thing is some of the journalists. In fact, most journalists. The reason I'm saying this is because Yaa Brɛfo, a journalist. Yes, sir. Now, for a journalist to say, whichever magic Ato Forson is doing, for which fish has upgraded Ghana your credit worthiness to B minus, no, Onkipi say, oh yes, I'm magic, no, it's sad. It's sad because Yaa name say there is no way, absolutely no way, that NDC could have used just 3 months to revive an economy that is dead. So it shows that the economy was not dead as people sought to portray it. Because, in fact, World Bank, any IMF, Omuka say na Ghana economy na echo last year, any 2 years ago, no. Obi bia obabaye president bia ewa fiwe mu this year, no. We stand to gain a lot. Number two, some journalists and on him pass as it stands now, government of John Dramani Mahama is not honoring its debt obligations. And the contractors are not receiving money. Our foreign people that we are owing, we are not paying them any money. Government is hoarding the money. The same Yaa also say one of the things currently we are told contributing very much to the economy. Gold ayeton. And that is because Mahmoud Bawumia, a former vice president, quickly brought that gold purchasing program that was able to raise yen gold as on my to over 30 tons. And some of that gold and NDC for ni Sami fee are selling to get dollars to show yen reserves. And all these and many more are reasons for which the economy is being upgraded.
This morning, I would like to applaud the finance minister. Look, I'm not bothered or I don't care about whether somebody started from somewhere and is picked up from anywhere because the MPP are buying also. By now, fetch. I'm upgrading to B minus. No, by now, Omo both say, Omo defense. Take it or leave it. It's been there almost 6 months. Whatever magic is doing, ama and a dollar number from whatever magic is doing, ama a year fango number from. Once the young or His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, whatever magic he's doing, Ghanaians are asking him to do more. Say, because we shall fetch. The reasons why I want Odiato B minus because and say that junk status. Just all capable to be a farmer. But now bet Yaka or more farmer or investor can't not for Ghana because he's sick of some said wow, got treasury bills for Ghana, Krana, Yaya Bank of Ghana, and so I mean some of these things, if it's going well, we should applaud him and give him thumbs up and say he should continue his job and continue well. Yeah, Shekwai said it would go down anytime soon. He should hold on to it, tighten whatever he's doing, and make sure.
And it's a journalist for propaganda. But now radio so can say, and I TV so can say, Ato Forson here magic beer. And yeah, it's sad. And sometimes also a very, very annoying. Because yes, I can't be seen. It insults all of us, our intelligence. As a now, my damn this, that somebody can call themselves journalists and come and throw anything at us and expect, say, we will take it like that and keep quiet about it. So the end, so munjai. So munjai pa because like he's not the best. It is not the best. We must all rise and speak against it. And yet the best. So munjai side here. Because we are doing our dream. And some of us also we read, we research, we see. We don't have short memory.
Hey, Ghana for answer na meshe me kasa na se no. Mesre mu se, mo ba mu sa makoma no so ma nya me ya. Na mo follow me mu nua ba. Mo fa mu sa makoma no so na mo follow me. Anything. Ene de da sorry ya. Donald Trump say, one or the abreye ne say, ya nhwe ya or the band ebeto yeso. Ai ya nhwe ya or the band ebeto yeso. Ene say Esam John Mahama enyi kabima minka bia mamu enia ukasa ni epe wachi wo oba ye ese ohweso na obu oman no ohweso mu a 1 2 yokofo edidi nipachi ukasa ni achew ukasa emie wa no nkasa ukasa ni efrew ene ade no ya nhwe ya Donald Trump e the band ebeto yeso no nti ama obia ni so ni ntoto epeso otu kwan kwotena United States ekmamu no Donald Trump e the one ya breye enti no Ghana for na de da ho no de da ho no si anhwe yie ni anhwe yie ya anhwe yie Donald Trump e the band e beto yeso no de to yeso so de a ene na ya wu ye last ye ni Ghana for de da ho no
in just 2.
Yo, me that try all of it is always awesome hearing from them. Akobe ole biamen kose ole ochowe susu defia. Ma globe 4 months sake as me ble earlier on be fear it was a horror movie season 1, season 2, season 3, season 4. Season 1
Season 1, 2 and 3.
Takele yala gbedodura document to gbera. Mistake yala mi wa mistake ya huhu. Mistake yala mi we huhu ki ne mi wa understand the crachela 4 years. And this is all of 4 years allow agbe egbe dodora kunye be enyime to gbera be ma oni le media city asime ne mi na agbe be do mega wa wu mi apa o elebe be ne mi jo le Egypt ko yere Israel afi eto so video na Moses ni hand over na Joshua okay strangely some way somehow o ga wa blame ga to from Egypt abi fear ko fike mi ga le bi fear
me
ga to Egypt lo Pharaoh te
Ekadeji
Pharaoh ne Pharaoh ya no zo mo me che na mere ko de Pharaoh yen oga patapata o afire me chi na mere ko agble mi daran fike mi le die to mele mi asiu eno mele mi asiu
Papa no de
na mi fa vichela o be mega fa view voilà to me fu na mi lo akobe mega fa view mi no nuku le to me fu no mi no nuku sigbo na boko to bisa pele any storage na mi eke o be mi amere o ya we mi pipito ya mega yin Ghana to o mega le me he ajoga fifi otala mega fu nu jai kun be constitutional right
or speak
because mega fu nu
you should speak to the truth
na Ghana ke me nku mo Ghana ekure me roll scratch Ghana eku
you people now believe in increment
me roll scratch Ghana eku me ajekum Akufo Addo o be Ghana eku ake mi adugbera ele mausi bibla bede efia ope jila ele Yesu aloma wasi me ya ton fun nawe tama oni fun na John Mahamadi tan ye me do ro bele recording me kuna we eso no 15 seconds ma wu ya fun na John Mahamadi excellency be ne trasle no na mi egbe ya ga na mi 1 hour light de ni ton ko asuo mi agbe dura be emi da pene ta e chori ni ga mi de kukune lo ton we egbe ko American ka si switch e won emi ga